Hello and welcome back to the Mastering the Major Scales guitar course. This is video 4. If you have not watched the first 3, I recommend you go back because we established a very important finger picking pattern. We will review it today, but it's easier if you go back and get all that extra practice. In video 1, we learned the scales based off of the 3rd fret, or starting on the 3rd fret. That was C and G. Then we went to the 5th fret and learned the scales there, D and A. Then we went to the 7th fret and learned scales E and B. And so now we're all the way in the 9th fret and we're starting with F sharp major scale. So let's go. Fret 9, string 5, give me the F sharp. If your guitar has been played very parallel to the floor, maybe you're going to get buzzy notes, maybe not. But if you're getting buzzy notes like just not clean, like it's not singing, readjust the guitar and then readjust the hand this way. If it's been very parallel, maybe angle a little bit, just a little bit. And if your thumb has been peeping on the top, drop the thumb and drop the wrist. And so position yourself, get comfortable. Middle finger plays F sharp and then pinky plays G sharp. Do it again, F sharp, ready, go. G sharp, take a breath, F sharp again, ready, go, G sharp. We're going to go to the next string, fret 8, and we have an A sharp. Good. Let's do those 3 notes, 4 beats each. 1, 2, 1, 2, F sharp, go. 1, 2, 3, G sharp. Go ahead and hover. 3, A sharp. 2, 3. Now we're going to go to B, and every time we introduce the index finger for the first time, the next finger that follows is the middle. So that's B. B is our last remaining natural note, meaning it's not sharp. So we have F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. And let's add the 5th note in the scale so we can do all of them together. Then we have C sharp with a pinky. So go ahead and run that through by yourself and then we'll do it together, like the 5 notes. And I would love for you to be doing any checks right now. Is your shoulder really high up to your face? Then if so, then drop it. Play with joy. Relax the face. Take a few breaths. Good. Let's try those 5 notes. 4 beats each. You can do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, G sharp. 2, 3, A sharp. 2, 3, B. Next is C sharp, ready, go. Very nice. Remember to check for any adjustments. If your notes sound buzzy, then drop the thumb, angle the hand a little bit upwards or downwards. Make the fingers, instead of pressing with this part of the finger here, make sure you're pressing with the fingertip right under the nail. That's another common posture, like fix that we need to make. Now let's finish the scale and do the last 3 notes, which would be D sharp with the index finger, E sharp with a ring, and F sharp with a pinky. Let's do those 3 notes with 4 beats each. 1, 2, D sharp, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, breathe now. 2, 3, finish the scale. 2, 3, 4. And make sure you follow through with that last note. Alrighty, so I think we're ready to put the whole scale together. Hopefully the finger picking pattern feels familiar. Let's do this. And by the way, if you'd like to support this page, there are many ways to do so. One is to hit the like button, write a comment, say, hey, watching from, and let me know where you're watching from. or downloading the PDF that I made to go along with this course. All of those ways help support the page. All right, let's do it. 4 beats each, the whole scale, starting on the F sharp. You can do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. G sharp, A sharp, B natural, C sharp. If you get little buzzes, press a little harder. E sharp, finish it. You don't have to pick all 4 times, by the way. I just do that to give us a sense of pulse. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go. Breathe. 2, 3, 4. 4. And breathe. Keep breathing. Normally when we've played the other scales, I've given you more guidance, like the name of the note or when to switch. But I would like to transition away from that so that you start to listen to your instrument and to the beat. So I'll still guide you a little bit, but I am going to play around with speaking less during our playing times. Alrighty, so next we're going to go to the C sharp major scale. So I'm very proud of you for reaching the last of the sharp scales where all the notes are sharp. And we're starting on the 9th fret as well. Use those side fret markers. Mine has it on the 3, 5, 7, and 9. So I'm using that 9th fret marker to tell me where to start. And now we're going to start on string 6, the one closest to our face. And so we really have to reach all the way to string 6, which means the thumb has to really be dropped down for the form to be really nice. And string 6, for me, takes more muscle to press it down. So if you're feeling like, oh man, I'm getting like buzzes or rattles, it's normal. It's totally normal. But just like working out, the more you do it, the easier it will feel. So give me C sharp with your middle finger. Ready, go. Again, ready, go. One last time, ready, go. And D sharp with the pinky, ready, go. Oh, that's taking a lot of muscle from me. How does it feel for you? Same or is it easier because there's smaller frets? I'm just going back and forth with C sharp and D sharp, C sharp and D sharp. All right, going to our next note, E sharp with the index finger. And then F sharp, ready, go. Let's do those 4 notes with 4 beats each. 1, 2, 1, 2, C sharp, go. 1, 2, 4, 4, 4. Great. And next we have the G sharp with a pinky. So let's do those 5 notes. Take a deep breath. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. E sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Take a breath. This feels like a Pilates workout, but for the hands. So our last 3 notes are A sharp, B sharp, and C sharp. So go ahead and try that now. A sharp, B sharp, and C sharp. For me, those are the ones that feel the easiest to play right now. So let's try those last 3 notes together, 4 beats each. 1, 2, A sharp, play with joy. 1. Let's take a little handbrake. So stretch the hands, stretch the fingers, breathe, and stretch the neck. I would like to tell you that I'm very proud of you for making it this far in the series. This is so challenging, and this is a topic that is not like trendy, right? Like learning the latest pop song. But you're doing this because you know it's important to your learning journey. You know that it's going to make you a better player, and that it requires discipline. And I admire people who have discipline so much. So thank you for being here. Let's do our whole C sharp major scale. Alrighty, so 9th fret. Find the note. Here we go. 1, 2, C sharp, ready, go. D sharp, E sharp, my bad, F sharp, G sharp, breathe, A sharp, B sharp, finish on C sharp. My apologies, I lost my pulse there switching from string 6 to string 5. So let's do it one more time for me, and then we'll be done with today's video. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. So far in the course, this video has been the most challenging. So let me know in the comments below how you're feeling. And in the next video, we're actually going to take a little bit of a break. We're going to look at the circle of fifths, and we're going to do the F major scale. So we're going to come back up here. It's going to feel a lot easier. And you're going to see how all of the scales you've done line up with the circle of fifths. So make sure and grab a notebook or any like writing utensil. Although I will have a PDF to go along with it. I think that a lot of learning happens when we put our pen to paper. So make sure and bring that for the next video. And let me know in the comments below how you're feeling about the course so far. Remember, you can download the PDF and get ahead as well. See you in the next one. Ciao!